In this video, you'll learn how to create an audiobook using ElevenLabs. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to transform your text into a spoken format efficiently. Begin by navigating to elevenlabs.io in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the home interface of ElevenLabs, which includes various options for creating projects. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as this will affect your ability to access features smoothly. Next, locate and click on the Studio option in the main menu. This will direct you to the Studio workspace where you can manage your audio projects. The layout should display available project options and tools for audio creation. After that, click on New Blank Project and select Audio Project from the available options. This action will set up a new project specifically for audio content. You will see a fresh workspace designed for audio manipulation. Once this appears, navigate to the Document section within your project. Here, you will find the option to upload the file you want to convert into an audiobook. Click on this option and select the appropriate text file from your device. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed and the file size. Then proceed to click on Voice to choose your preferred voice for the audiobook. A selection of voice options will be displayed, allowing you to listen to samples. Choose a voice that best fits the tone of your content, as this will enhance the listener's experience. Before exporting your project, it is important to check and listen to the voice playback to ensure it meets your expectations. Click on the preview option to listen to the audio. If everything sounds satisfactory, click Import to finalize the project. This step is crucial to confirm that the audio reflects your original text accurately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.